i35equipment.com. This is the 3-ton GIYI hydraulic excavator bucket. Has everything you need to get it installed, which includes the thumb, the weld-on bracket, the hydraulic cylinder, and the hoses. The only thing that you may have to have is adapters. Make sure it fits your machine, because they all have different size of fittings on your machines. But really, that's about it. You can see our full inventory of thumbs, buckets, excavators, and other equipment online at www.i35equipment.com. If you'd like a hauling quote, just fill out the form on our website, call, text, or email. We'll share an address with several local haulers, nationwide broker, and get back the best rate that comes back to us. Of course, we do welcome you to come pick it up for yourself or arrange for your own hauling. This thumb does have the serrated edges here for better grip, and 2 tines or fingers to grab on. Appreciate you watching. Have a great day.